5 best affiliate marketing programs. Do you know that you can earn $100,000 online without tying yourself too much or starting up a business? You heard it right. No invest is required. In this video, I will reveal the top affiliate marketing platform this 2024 that can help you generate significant income even if you're starting from scratch. You will learn how those programs work, why the right platform is important, and which ones stand out. I have spent years exploring different ways to make money online, and one of them is affiliate marketing. And I have compiled the most effective strategies and platforms just for you. Let's get started. Platform number 1. Now, are you ready to hear about the first platform that's beginner friendly, easy to use, and offers a generous chance to make money? And if you are starting out in affiliate marketing and you don't have much experience, but you are eager to start, then Amazon Affiliates is your best friend to get started. Sign up is straightforward. Simply go to Amazon, scroll to the bottom, and click on the Amazon affiliate links. Fill in your details and you are good to go. Now, to get approved, if you have a blog or website, ensure it has at least 10 original posts. If you are leveraging social media, aim for at least 500 organic followers with decent engagement. Those requirements are pretty lenient. Make it accessible to many beginners. Once you are approved, you will get an affiliate tracking links for any product on Amazon. The commission varies from 1% to 20%. Plus, the affiliate cookies last 48 hours. And if the product is added to the cart within this period, it's extended up to 90 days. This flexibility is beneficial for long-term earnings. However, the downside is that the most products on Amazon offer low commission, typically between 1% to 5%. This means you need to sell in high volumes to make significant money. Even with higher ticket items like cameras, the commission might only be around 3%. Despite this, Amazon Affiliate is still a great starting point due to its low payout threshold of just $10. This can be particularly meaningful if you are in a location where the currency value stretches further, or if you are a student where every dollar counts. Amazon's wide range selection of products ensure you can always find something relevant to your audience. Its beginner-friendly affiliate dashboard helps track your performance and optimize your strategies. And my advice to you is to start with products your audience will love and gradually scale up. Look for items with decent commission and think about how to reach more people effectively. With Amazon Affiliates, you have a solid foundation to begin your affiliate marketing journey. Platform number 2. This next platform is a fantastic choice. You only need a basic internet skill and a bit patient to get started. You can leverage one of the largest affiliate networks with over 4,500 partners earning more than what Amazon offers. Getting started is straightforward. Head to Share or Sell website, click on Sign Up at the top right, choose Affiliate Sign Up and create your account. You will need to provide details about your website, including links, language, and content. To get approved, your site must be active with generous traffic, no bots. Fill in your payment details, and within 2 or 3 days, you will know if you are approved. Share or Sell offers a broad range of products from digital to physical items, and even discount on luxury goods. Some notable partners include Warby Parker's, Reebok, and the NFL Shop. If you want to promote mainstream brand, this is the platform for you. However, it's not without drawback. The interface can be challenging compared to other networks. The data provided is minimal, and the $50 minimum payout threshold can be daunting for starters. To succeed in this platform, you should focus on growing your blog or social media presence first. This will ensure you have an audience to drive your affiliate links to. For example, if you have a tech YouTube channel, you could review laptops and earn high commission, or review more affordable items like mice and keyboard for potentially high volume sales. The key is finding the right product for your audience. Make it that $50 threshold more easy to achieve. Platform number 3. This is definitely something that you know about. And this tool does not require a massive audience to get started, which is perfect if you are just starting out. Now, the platform we are talking about focuses on digital software product, idea for tech, finance, businesses, and photography content. They offer around 300 products, including password managers, AI automation tools, and productivity software. To get started, visit the website partnerstack.com, click Get Started at the top right, and join as a partner. Fill out your details, complete the onboarding steps, and start browsing the brand to get started your referral links. You earn commission on any sales made through your links, with no limit on the numbers of brands you can promote. Payout rates vary by brand, so keep an eye on the details. The user-friendly dashboard, 90 days tracking cookies, dedicated partners program managers make it easy to succeed. Plus, the minimum payout threshold is only $5, ensuring easy cash out. Tech channel or those focusing on software product will find this platform especially beneficial. But even if your content is not tech focused, you can still earn a significant by understanding and catering to your audience need with the product available. Platform number 4 is the most popular one, ClickBank. It's accessible, user-friendly, and has a significant earning potential. If you ever dream of monetizing a variety of niche, this platform is a must-try. And if you are aspiring online marketer exploring diverse opportunities, you discover ClickBank, a platform with over 21,000 products across 276 categories, whether it's a dog training, health supply, or finance courses. ClickBank has it all in one place. Getting started is simple. Visit clickbank.com and sign up by clicking Get Started in the top right corner. You will need to submit your payment info and either in Social Security or EIN numbers. If you are unsure about obtaining those, services like Telebrain or Zen Business can assist, which is you can find in the description below. One standout feature of ClickBank is the potential to high commission, ranging from $500 to $3,000 per sale. However, always verify the legitimacy of the product you promote, as the platform hosts a wide range of offerings. Due diligence is crucial to avoid any scams. Platform number 5. This is the affiliate platform that I highly recommend. You just need some basic skills to navigate its interface, but it's pretty straightforward. Imagine if you're just starting out and looking for reliable affiliate networks. Impact will be your best option. It's been in the game for quite a while, and many top companies have transitioned to Impact because of its excellent support and organization. As a user, you appreciate how the team actively reach out and support you in regarding of your channel size. Impact scores high on several fronts. Accessibility is an 8 out of 10. Ease of use a perfect 10. Potentially earning a 9 out of 10. Getting started with Impact is easy. Just go to the website, sign up, provide your social media or website details, verify your email and complete your payment and tax information. Then customize your profile and apply to brands. Impact houses over 1,200 brands ranging from physical to digital brand, all well versed. Keep in mind guys, brand prefer affiliate link with different traffic, but you won't have that discrimination with Impact. If you face delays, don't hesitate to contact the brand directly via email for a faster response. What sets apart is its integrated communication and negotiation tools. Discussing higher commission rates or special agreement is straightforward. To withdraw your earnings, you only need a minimum of $10, and you can choose to get paid weekly, monthly, or as you prefer. Impact simplifies staying updated with your affiliate activities and make managing your revenue hassle-free. But what if you want to start your own business to maximize your earnings? You might want to check out some of our videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel so that way you can keep updated whenever we post a new video. I'll see you in the next video. Are you still there? See you. Peace.